tutorial. Today we are learning about variables. What are variables? Today variables is by definition variable is a container which holds data. Data may be a string, data may be a int, float, double, or it may be true or false, or a string, character, or anything. For example, here you look into it. The age is a variable, and one more thing is a variables by definition variable is in a container which holds a data which can be changed during the program execution. For example, this value of 30 assigned to the age variable can be changed in the execution during the execution of the code. That example, the age can be changed to increase it to 31 or increase it by some amount or can be decreased. But the value this can be done using using these variables. You need to define a variable and assign a value, then you can increase it. That's what the definition of variable is. What here in this example, first int age 30, the age is a variable which holds a data of integer. So every variable should be defined what data type it holds. For example, here you can see lot of variables. You can give any number of names, different names for a variable. Age, for the age variable, it holds int, it is of int data type which holds integer value. A height is a variable which holds data type of double, can have a floating value. Grade is a variable which data type is character char, and it holds alpha characters like ABCD, any one. And bool is enrolled is a variable. You can define a variable is enrolled, and it holds a data type of value of data of type boolean. It can be either true or false. And similarly, variable name is a variable which here name is a variable which holds the data type. What data type it holds is string. So we can write a character list of characters, joint group of characters, string characters, and this variable name holds the string John. The definition of variable is that you can change the value of a variable during the execution of the program. For example, you can see here when you run this program, you can see the value of all the name is printed as name John, age 30, and height 5.5, and grade here. During the execution, after this we can increase the values of each and every variables like this. For example, age plus is equals to age. I'm giving the shortcut operator. Oh, 1 minute, I have a different keyboard. Age is equal to age plus is equals to age plus is equals to this. What does this means is you're incrementing the age by 1. Age plus this is equals to this indicates age is equals to age plus 1. This is the meaning of this. This is an what called as arithmetic. This is an assignment operator. We call this assignment operator like this. You can increase by number 5 or 10 so that it can increase by 5. Similarly, you can change the value of character grade to grade is equals to grade is equals to various quotes. Yeah, I have a problem with this keyboard. For example, some of the characters and grades are totally different. C and is enrolled is equals to true. is enrolled is enrolled is enrolled value is false. You can change the value to okay. Is equals to false. And name of the thing, we can change the variables name, that is during the execution of the program you can change the values of the variable. That's what it means. Control Z. Name is equals to, bear with me, I have a problem with this Control Z. Name is equals to, you can create a new name. Apple, this is a famous one. Name is equals to Apple. No, name should be of double quotes. Yeah, string is used by, here you can see string should be in double quotes and character should be in single quotes. So we change the variables. Age we increased by 5, and height we can change, but okay, we can change it. Grade, we can change the grade from A to C. Is enrolled to change it from true to false, and name change it to 5. Name change it from John to Apple. Now when you again you can do all this thing. Control C. No, for namesake we will keep all the both of them. So here you can see this variable is a placeholder which is used to store the data which can be changed during the program execution. We know how to store. This is how we declare a variable. It's a variable should have a name and data type, and you assign, this is what declaration, and assigning, we assign a value to that variable. This is what equals to equals, and 30 means we are assigning a value to the variable. Declaration is we declare a height variable of data type double, and we assign the value, assigning a value of 5.9 to the variable. Now we have changed these values. When you run now, we will save. Before that we need to save this. When you run this, we change the values of the variables. So now here name is C. We can see in the execution the age was 30 initially, change it to 35. Name has been initially, name we see name was John, but the John we can increase it. Name John is there here, which change it to Apple, and the age has been 30, has been changed to 35. We never changed the height. We changed the grade from A to C, and then enrolled true to enrolled false. This is what benefit of variables. By using variables, you can change the values of values. You can alter during the program execution. I hope you understood everything about variables. Let's see another topic in the next video. Have a nice day. Cheers.